Problem number 104. A hollow steel tube with an inside diameter of 100 mm must carry a tensile load of 400 kN. Determine the outside diameter of the tube if the stress is limited to 120 MPa. The given in the problem are di, or the internal diameter of the hollow steel tube, which is equal to 100 mm, the tensile load applied on the steel tube, which is equal to 400 kN, and last is the stress limit for the hollow steel tube, which is equal to 120 MPa. At yung hinahanap sa problem ay yung outside diameter ng hollow steel tube. Using the simple stress formula, stress is equal to force over area. The amount of stress given in the problem is equal to 120 MPa or Newton per millimeter squared, and the force applied on the steel tube is tensile, which is equal to 400 kN or 400,000 Newton over the area of the hollow steel tube. Kaya natin i-convert yung force in terms ng Newton para maging uniform yung unit sa solution at makancel out yung Newton sa equation. By calculation, the area of the hollow steel tube is equal to 3,333.33 mm squared. What is the formula of area for a hollow steel tube? That was equal to pi outside diameter squared over 4 minus pi inside diameter squared over 4. By factoring out pi over 4 in the equation, ang matitira na lang ay do squared minus di squared. And this is equal to 3,333.33 mm squared. Do squared minus di squared is equal to 3,333.33 multiplied by 4 over 5. Since given na yung inside diameter ng hollow steel tube, isubstitute lang natin siya sa equation. The outside squared minus the inside diameter of the hollow steel tube, 100 mm squared, is equal to 3,333.33 4 over pi. By calculating, do squared is equal to 14,244.13. Para mawala yung squared sa do, ay ilipat lang natin siya sa kabilang side ng equation at siya ay magiging square root ng 14,244.13. Therefore, the value of the outside diameter of the hollow steel tube do is equal to 119.35 mm.